Welcome back. My name is Kas. This is part 2 of Holley Sniper EFI installation. Make sure you stay tuned for this. Actually, I'm going to do an unboxing. Make sure to follow Dark.Zero.Motors on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Make sure to subscribe, like, and all that good stuff. Today I'm pretty much going to be focusing on removing everything underneath there. And this is going to be a very short episode, but make sure you stay tuned for the other ones coming up. As you can see, I don't have a lot of space to work with, but I got space. So let's get under there and assess the situation. I will require both of my hands for this episode, so I'm going to switch out to the head mount. I got both of my hands. Let's get under there. As you can tell, Monty, I have been neglecting you. I am so sorry. I'm going to fix you. I promise. Eventually, I will clean all of this up underneath here and get all of this painted, but today I'm only going to focus on removing this right here. As you can tell, I already had a setup. I have a fuel cell right in here, and I have my line running to the filter, then to the pump. As you can tell, I already had a setup going on. I had a return line, I had my power, I had my outlet, I had everything set up. But with the kit that I will be installing on this car, has an inline fuel pump and an inline filter provided with it, so this will just have to come off. Okay, so I grabbed some tools. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make another 4 or 5 trips to grab extras, but I think I got everything. As far as I know, there isn't any gas in here, but this was a very long time ago, so yeah. This is the moment where I get showered in gas. Dry. There is a little bit of fuel in here. Just undo that. No problem. Let's cut that. I'm going to leave this because this is gonna go directly to the front of the car. Let's peel this back. Snip these. Four nuts removed, and I can remove the fuel filter. There is probably fuel in there. Lay it like this. Make sure to continue following the build that is coming out. I hope you are as excited as I am. I know you are not as excited as I am, but eventually I hope you will be as excited as I am about this build. Oh, there we go. This can go right here too. I have both my fuel filter and my fuel pump off. I'm leaving this line, I'm leaving the return line, I'm leaving the power and the ground and everything else. I'm leaving the line from the actual fuel cell. I hope I can reuse this. If not, I'll just get another one, make one bigger. That's not a problem. Make sure to stay tuned for next episodes. Subscribe, make sure to like, comment, feedback, anything. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.